Hey everybody, I'm Corey, and for today's vlog, we are doing something called whipped coffee. I don't know if you've seen this craze going around right now on TikTok and social media platforms, but whipped coffee is a thing. And let me tell you, I've made it twice, and it is delicious. So here's how you make whipped coffee with just simple ingredients that you have in your house. For whipped coffee, all you need is 6 ingredients: instant coffee, sugar, a bowl, a measuring spoon, boiling hot water, and a hand mixer or a whisk. You take a mixing bowl, you put 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of boiling hot water, and mix it with your hand mixer. Now what I've found out is that all you have to do is just mix it with a hand mixer for about 10 minutes and it'll get the right stiffness that you need. It needs to look like whipped cream or like meringue. So you just put the hand mixer in there, you whip it for about 10 minutes, maybe even longer, and you'll get the consistency that you want. After it's been whipped, you're gonna put some ice in a glass, pour in some milk, and dollop the whipped coffee on top. I usually take a spoon and I'll just stir it in there until the consistency is more like an iced coffee or a thick milkshake. And that's it. That's how you make whipped coffee. It's delicious. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time we post new videos. Make sure you hit that like button as well. And if you tried whipped coffee or you have any opinions about whipped coffee or any ideas about how to make whipped coffee a little bit differently, please make sure you put it in the comments below. Have a great day. Bye.